Southern Colorado health leaders say it's not a case of if the new COVID Omicron variant will show up here. It's a case of when.
KRDO News Channel 13's Mallory Anderson is live in studio with what we all need to know right now. Mallory?
El Paso County and UC health officials now tell me the Omicron variant found last week in South Africa could already be here. It's now been identified in North America, about 1,000 miles from El Paso County in southern Canada, and flights to that area go to Denver every day. Health officials in the El Paso County area are not sugarcoating the Omicron threat here.
If we follow what has happened with previous variants of COVID, it appears to be a matter of time before it is spread.
I would say within the next week, maybe 2 weeks, I think we'll have an announcement that we've identified the first case.
Even if you tested positive for COVID right now, it will probably be at least a week before you'd know if it's the variant.
Genomic sequencing can take 7 to 10 days just because of the whole process and the science of it. So let's say we had one sample that popped today. It would be 7 to 10 days potentially before that might be sequenced and confirmed.
While the data on this new variant is still in its infancy, one concerning trend from South Africa is that people who already had COVID may easily be reinfected with Omicron.
South Africa has already been through multiple waves of this, and so it again tells us that potentially natural immunity is maybe not as effective.
Right now, experts aren't sure if Omicron will be more resistant to the vaccine, but the major makers say they will adjust their shots if they need to. And doctors remind Coloradans there's a different variant already wreaking havoc on hospital systems.
Delta is still out there and causing infections and hospitalizing patients, and the vaccines work for that, for sure.
According to El Paso County Health and Dr. Anthony Fauci, who appeared with President Joe Biden today, the name of the protection game is still the vaccine, including boosters and choosing to wear a mask again when you're in crowds. Reporting in the studio, Mallory Anderson, KRDO News Channel 13.